Hello and welcome back, guys. This is Alan here to teach you C++. So now let's continue with the C++ tutorials. So this class we are going to learn about the increment and the decrement operators. What are these? Kind of new terms, right? Let's see now. Now these increment and decrement operators are of two types. The post increment and the pre-increment. Let's see pre-increment. Let's first assign the value for a equal to 1, and I'll show you how does it looks like plus a. This plus is the increment operator. Now we have put that before the variable, which means it's pre-increment, which this increment means that it will increase the value of the number like 1 2 2, like so. Has this come? Yeah, that's 2, right? So show a. Now it will be better. First was a and it's 2. Now then we'll go for the pre-increment. What is this pre-increment? After the variable you have to put this. Now we'll run it. What? 1 1? There's no difference. That is the post increment. Now the value of a had been changed to 2, but not at the same line. We have to type it another time, the value of a, then it would come 1 1 2. Yeah, the third time we got it. That is the difference between pre-increment and post increment. For pre-increment it will come on first line itself, and post increment second time itself. Now if you put again the plus a dl, now guess what will come now. I think you have guessed right. Let's see. Yeah, that is 3. It has come in the same line itself. So this is for the increment. Now let's see for decrement. Oh, what if we type let it be 5, be more better. We'll type like this out. Pre-decrement. The value of 5 is a. Now let's check the value now. Tab will reduce to 4. That is the difference between the increment and decrement. It will raise the value, this will reduce the value. And the rules for pre-increment and pre-decrement, post-increment and post-decrement, it is the same rules. Like see, type a minus see, same number repeats 4. That is the pre-incremented number. Now if we again type the value a, now this time it will change to 3. Yes, that's it about these increment and decrement operators. We will learn a lot about these in further classes. Now it's time to tell goodbye. Stay tuned. We'll shortly learn a lot about C++ in this class. Bye guys.